We need to assemble a road header. Hooray! And now we need to fuel the road header. Press the pump. You're doing really great. Let's make a tunnel in the rock to shorten the way to the town. Let's wash the road header. Keep up the good work. Let's assemble the track laying machine. We did it! And now let's load the details for rails onto the track laying machine. We did it! Let's lay the rails in the tunnel. We need to fix a crack on the track laying machine. Amazing! And now let's grind the seam. Ready. Look at the cloud and choose the spray gun cap of the same color. Ready. Let's assemble a mounting rail car. Done! Let's fuel the mounting rail car. Pump. That's all. Let's arrange lighting in the tunnel. We need to wash the mounting rail car. Hooray! We need to assemble the minecart. Don't stop! Let's load paints and the railway signal into the minecart. Keep up the good work. Let's install a railway signal and paint the entrance to the tunnel. Let's wash the minecart. You're doing really great. Let's assemble a crushing roller. That's all. And now we need to fuel the crushing roller. Pump. Amazing! Let's crush large rocks for the construction site. Let's wash the crushing roller. Keep it up. We need to assemble the excavator. You're doing really great. Let's fuel the excavator. Pump. Hooray! Let's prepare a foundation pit. We need to fix a crack on the excavator. Ready. And now let's grind the seam. We did it! Choose the same color as in the cloud to paint the stain. Ready. Let's assemble the crane with cargo bed. Keep it up. And now let's load concrete blocks for the foundation into the crane with cargo bed. Hooray! Let's lay the base for the foundation of the station. We need to wash the crane with cargo bed. That's all. We need to assemble the open wagon. Keep up the good work. Let's load the bricks for the station building into the open wagon. Done! Now let's build a station building. Let's weld a crack on the open wagon. Keep it up. Let's grind the welding seam. Ready. Look at the cloud and choose the spray gun cap of the same color. Amazing! Let's assemble the crane. Ready. Let's fuel the crane. Pump. We did it! The station building needs a roof. Let's install it. We need to wash the crane. You're doing really great. We need to assemble the bucket lift. Keep up the good work. Let's fuel the bucket lift. Pump. Done! Let's paint the station building. Let's weld a crack on the bucket lift. Keep up the good work. Let's grind the welding seam. We did it! Choose the same color as in the cloud to paint the stain. We did it! Let's assemble the glass transporting car. That's all. Let's load the stained glass windows and doors for the station building into the glass transporting. You're doing really great. Let's install windows and doors. Let's wash the glass transporting car. Don't stop! Let's assemble a motor car. Amazing! Let's fuel the motor car. Pump. You're doing really great. Let's decorate the territory of the station together. Let's weld a crack on the motor car. Hooray! And now let's grind the seam. You're doing really great. Choose the same color as in the cloud to paint the stain. Done! We need to assemble the locomotive. Ready. Let's fuel the locomotive. Pump. Keep up the good work. Let's apply the railroad logo on the locomotive. Let's wash the locomotive. Hooray! Let's assemble a sleeping car. You're doing really great. And now let's load the interior objects into the sleeping car. Amazing! We need luggage to travel comfortably. We need to wash the sleeping car. You're doing really great. Let's assemble the train. Go on. Keep up the good work. Now passengers can travel in comfort. Thanks to the tunnel, it will take less time to get to the town.